The St. John Fisher community has grown and adapted despite the many obstacles this challenging year has posed. Our students and staff continue to flourish in faith, excellence, and service. Building a strong foundation of faith for our students while cultivating compassionate Christian leaders can be witnessed every day at St. John Fisher. Our comprehensive religious education program ensures our students grow in their faith and knowledge of the Catholic teachings. In a typical year, each grade level attends Mass once a week. This year, during Trimester 3, students will be given the opportunity to attend Mass twice a month. Regular Mass attendance allows our students to practice their faith while building a better understanding and appreciation for traditional Catholic teachings.
My favorite thing about SJF is the family I've created here. Ever since kindergarten, everyone here has been so welcoming and had open arms to me.
The use of technology, incorporation of the arts, and social-emotional learning all help our students explore their strengths and develop a sense of self-awareness and self-management skills.
St. John Fisher has really nice friends, really nice teachers. They help you learn and they help you think.
St. John Fisher students receive robust instruction in their classrooms, as well as the several special area classes, which include Spanish, physical education, art, library, computers, music, and social-emotional learning. Students at St. John Fisher are provided with one-to-one technology in grades 1st through 8th. Classrooms are equipped with new smartboards, which allows teachers to use all resources in order to deliver the most engaging lessons, cultivating an exciting classroom climate and elevating students' learning. The strong resource program, use of full-time reading specialists, certified special education teachers, and full-time school counselor help ensure all of our students are well supported and prepared for the world today and tomorrow.
Hi, my name is Carol Scannell, and I'm the 7th grade English Language Arts teacher here at St. John Fisher. I have a great connection to this school because all 5 of my children attended St. John Fisher, and they've gone out into the world and done great things. So coming here as the teacher, I know the possibility that can happen with these children.
Acts of service allow St. John Fisher Falcons to build a community within the school, as well as the surrounding neighborhoods. The many service projects held throughout the year help our students follow in Jesus' footsteps while showing support to others in need. This school year, with the help of our school leadership club, SOAR, St. John Fisher has raised over $7,000 for families and various charities. We have never been more proud of our school community. This year has taught us that together we can overcome any challenge. We are Fisher Falcons, and we can do hard things. Now, more than ever, is the best time to join our Falcon family.